Let me introduce you to your new best friend when it comes to satin stitch, and that's directional lines. So when we stitch a shape, we want to have a think about what direction are our stitches going in. So for example, it's really easy with a square because it doesn't really matter which way they go, well, depending on your pattern. But with something like, let's imagine this is a petal. If you do your stitches all horizontally across it, it wouldn't have that lovely nice flowing effect as the stitch is extending out along the length of the petal. So what I want you to do before you stitch a shape with satin stitch is think about what direction do you want your stitches to go in, and then go ahead and draw some lines on that are going to help keep you on track when you're stitching. And these are called directional lines. So let's put some in our square. I want my stitches to go that way, so I'm going to do one down the middle, and then I'll split it into quarters by adding a couple more. Don't worry if they're not perfect, like you just want to generally get them in the right direction. Then let's say for this circle, I might go, let's go on this angle here. So I'll have one down the middle again, and then I'll split it into quarters. You can do as few or many directional lines as you choose. And then for this petal shape, once again I'll split it down the middle, but I know I want my stitches to taper in beautifully towards the base of the petal. So I'll actually angle this line and the other line in so that I know that my stitches will follow that lovely tapered style. Yes, so embrace directional lines, add them whenever you need to. You're going to cover it all up with stitches anyway, and you'll find them so helpful for keeping your stitches on track.